Dive into the world of HunterGirl, from rising star to fan favorite. Ever wondered how a small-town girl became a country music sensation? Meet HunterGirl. Her journey from humble beginnings to stardom is a tale of talent, determination, and a connection to her roots that resonates with fans worldwide. HunterGirl grew up in a close-knit community where family gatherings often revolved around music. Influenced by her parents' love for classic country, she picked up a guitar at a young age, setting the foundation for her future career. Her passion for music became evident during her early years, performing at local fairs and talent shows. These experiences honed her skills and fueled her dreams of making it big in the country music scene. HunterGirl's first big break came when she won a regional singing competition. This victory caught the attention of industry professionals, opening doors and catapulting her career to new heights almost overnight. Her debut album took the country music world by storm, showcasing her raw talent and unique sound. It resonated deeply with listeners, earning critical acclaim and establishing her as a rising star in the genre. HunterGirl's musical style stands out in the country music scene with its blend of traditional and modern influences. Her soulful voice, heartfelt lyrics, and intricate melodies create a unique sound that resonates deeply with listeners. She seamlessly bridges the old and new. Her debut album made waves, capturing the essence of small-town life and universal emotions. Critics praised its authenticity and depth, and it quickly climbed the charts. The album's success marked her as a rising star in country music. Small Town Dreams became HunterGirl's greatest hit, topping charts and winning the hearts of fans nationwide. The song's relatable themes and catchy chorus struck a chord, making it an anthem for dreamers everywhere. Its success cemented her place in the industry. HunterGirl's lyrics are celebrated for their storytelling prowess. Each song paints vivid pictures of love, struggle, and triumph. Fans connect deeply with her words, feeling as if she speaks directly to their own experiences and emotions, creating a loyal following. Live performances are where HunterGirl truly shines. Her energy and charisma on stage captivate audiences, leaving lasting impressions. Memorable performances at major festivals and intimate venues alike showcase her ability to connect with fans through her powerful voice and engaging presence. HunterGirl's collaborations with renowned artists have significantly bolstered her career. Working with icons like Blake Shelton and Carrie Underwood, she has not only showcased her versatility, but also expanded her audience, cementing her status as a rising star in country music. Beyond her musical endeavors, HunterGirl is deeply committed to music education and mentorship. She regularly conducts workshops and masterclasses, sharing her expertise with aspiring musicians. Her dedication to nurturing young talent underscores her belief in the transformative power of music. Fans of HunterGirl are passionate and loyal, often sharing heartfelt testimonials about her impact on their lives. They appreciate her relatable lyrics, authentic storytelling, and down-to-earth persona, which make her music resonate deeply with a wide audience. HunterGirl is also known for her philanthropic efforts and community involvement. She actively supports local charities, participates in benefit concerts, and uses her platform to raise awareness for important causes. Her commitment to giving back reflects her generous spirit and strong community ties. As a trailblazer, HunterGirl has inspired a new generation of country musicians. Her authenticity, dedication, and innovative style serve as a beacon for aspiring artists, encouraging them to pursue their dreams while staying true to their roots and values. During her early touring days, HunterGirl once performed at a quaint, nearly empty bar, only to be discovered by a renowned producer who happened to be passing through. This serendipitous encounter marked the turning point that launched her into stardom. HunterGirl has earned numerous accolades, including prestigious music awards and industry recognitions. Her dedication to her craft and genuine connection with fans have garnered her a loyal following and critical acclaim, solidifying her status as a leading voice in country music. Her music has evolved significantly over the years, blending traditional country with modern influences. This evolution showcases her versatility and growth as an artist, allowing her to remain relevant and innovative while staying true to her roots. HunterGirl's latest single, has been met with enthusiastic praise from both fans and critics alike. The song's heartfelt lyrics and catchy melody continue to captivate audiences, further cementing her reputation as a talented and influential country music artist. Balancing her personal life with a demanding career, HunterGirl remains grounded and connected to her family and friends. She prioritizes self-care and mindfulness, ensuring she can give her best both on stage and in her personal relationships. HunterGirl's presence on social media is magnetic, offering fans glimpses into her life and creative process. Through candid posts and behind-the-scenes content, she builds a genuine connection with her audience, making them feel like part of her journey. Behind-the-scenes stories from HunterGirl's music videos reveal the hard work and creativity involved. From brainstorming concepts to the final cut, these tales highlight the dedication of her and her team, adding depth to the visual storytelling of her songs. HunterGirl's impact on the country music genre is profound, blending traditional elements with modern influences. Her fresh approach has not only garnered a loyal fan base, but also inspired a new wave of artists to explore and innovate within the genre. Exclusive interview clips with HunterGirl offer a personal look at her journey. Her candid reflections on her career, challenges, and triumphs provide fans with an intimate understanding of the artist behind the music, deepening their appreciation for her work. HunterGirl is always working on new projects, keeping her fans eagerly anticipating what's next. Her upcoming albums promise to deliver more of the heartfelt storytelling and authentic country sound that have made her a beloved figure in the industry. HunterGirl has been a vocal advocate for women in country music, using her platform to highlight the contributions of female artists. By pushing for more representation and opportunities, she aims to create a more inclusive and diverse industry. One fun fact about HunterGirl that fans might not know is her love for painting. She often uses her downtime on tour to create beautiful pieces of art, which she occasionally shares on her social media platforms. Her musical influences range from Dolly Parton to Shania Twain. These legendary artists have significantly shaped her sound, helping her blend traditional country elements with a modern twist, making her music both nostalgic and innovative. Recapping the key points covered, we've explored HunterGirl's advocacy for women, her hidden talent in painting, and her major musical influences. Each aspect showcases her multifaceted personality and deep passion for country music. If you enjoyed this deep dive into HunterGirl's journey, don't forget to subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel for more inspiring stories. Stay tuned for exclusive content and updates on your favorite artists.